Hicks with Branson House Realty. It's a windy day in March and I'm listing 155 Horizon Drive. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,300 square feet. Perfect for a young family, starter home, Branson schools, and it's going to go quick at 157.9. So please call us and make an appointment. It's going to be on MLS in a couple of days. And I hope to show it to you soon. But in the meantime, let me give you an open house tour right now. So thanks for joining me here on YouTube. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more real estate tours like this one. I'll see you next time, guys.